A very good morning, student. This is the maths class for standard 4th. Students, today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 5, division. Now, this is the part 1. Division is equal grouping or equal distribution of a given quantity. Suppose I have 50 toffees and I want to share equally among 8 friends. So, we have to divide 50 divided by now 50 is divided by 8. Now place the value 8, right place. Now 50 and write 8. Now 8 6 are 48. Now we write 6 as a quotient and the product write below the 50 and subtract. When we subtract 48 from 50, we will get 2. So students, quotient is equal to 6. So each friends gets 6 toffees equally. But 2 toffees are left. Now the number to be divided is called the dividend. And the number by which we divided is called the divisor, that is 8. The answer in division is called the quotient, that is 8. The number that is left over is called the remainder, that is 2. Now let us do exercise 1, that is on page number 44. Question number 1 is find the quotient using tables. So students, you must have learned table 2 to 20. Now question number A is 72 is divided by 8. Now write dividend and divisor in the correct place. And now 8 times 9 is equal to 72. So we have to write 9 as a quotient and the product right below the 72 and subtract. When we subtract, we will get 0. So quotient is equal to 9. Now question number B is 81 divided by 9. So write the dividend and divisor in the correct place. Now 9 times 9 is equal to 81. So we write 9 as a quotient and the product right below the 81 and we will get and subtract and we will get 0 as a remainder. Now quotient is equal to 9. Now question number 2 is find the quotient by long division method. Let us divide 396 by 4. Write dividend and divisor in the correct place. Since the divisor is one digit number, so we take hundreds place digit. But 3 is smaller than 4, so we have to take hundreds and tens place digit together, that is 39. So how much multiply to get 39 or below it? So we have to take 36. It is 4 times 9 is equal to 36. So we have to write 9 as a quotient and the product 36 right below the 39 and subtract. When we subtract, we will get 3. Now bring down 6 and we call as 36. Now how much multiply to get 36 or below it? Now again 4 times 9 is equal to 36. So we have to write 9 as a quotient and the product 36 right below 36 and subtract and we will get 0. So quotient is equal to 99. Now question number B is 797 is divided by 6. So students write the table of 6 and put the value dividend and divisor in the correct place. Let us divide. Since the divisor is a one digit number, so we have to take hundreds digit, that is 7. Now 6, and how much multiply to get 7 or below it? It is 6. 1 times 6 is equal to 6. So we have to write 1 as a quotient and the product right below the 7 and subtract. Now we subtract, we will get 1. Bring down 19 and we call as 19. Now how much multiply to get 19 or below it? It is 18. It means 6, 3 times 6 is equal to 18. Now 3, we write 3 as a quotient and write 18 below the 19 and subtract. When we subtract, we will get 1. Now bring down 7 and we call as 17. Now how much multiply in by to get 17? It's 12. Now 6 times 2 is equal to 12 because 6 times 3 is equal to 18 is larger than the 17. So we have to write 2 as a quotient and the product 12 right below the 17 and subtract. We'll get quotient is equal to 132. Students, no need to write rough work. Let us see question 743 divided by 3. Let us write dividend and divisor in the correct place. Now form a table of 3 and let them divide. So 3 is divisor is a one digit number, so we take hundreds place digit, that is 7. Now how much multiplying by 3 to get 7 or below it? It's 6. It means 3 times 2 is equal to 6. Now we write 2 as a quotient and the product 6 right below the 7. Now subtract and we'll get 1. Now bring down 4. We call as 14. Now how much multiplying by 3 to get 14 and below it? It's 12 because 15 is larger than the 14. It means 3 times 4 is equal to 12. So we have to write 4 as a quotient and the product 12 right below the 14 and subtract and we'll get 2. Now bring down 3 and we call as 23. Now how much we multiply by 3 to get 23 or below it? It's 21. It means 3 times 7 is equal to 21. So we write 7 as a quotient and the product 21 right below the 23 and we'll get 2. Now quotient is equal to 247. Student, no need to write rough work. Now question number D is 804 divided by 5. Let us write dividend and divisor in the correct place. Now let them divide. Now how much multiplying by 5 to get 8 or below it? It's 5. It means 5 into 1 is equal to 5. So we have to write 1 as a quotient and the product right below 8. Now subtract. We will get 3. Now bring down 0. We call as 30. Now how much multiplying by 5 to get 30 or below it? It's 30. Now 5 times 6 is equal to 30. So we have to write 6 as a quotient and the product 30 right below the 30 and subtract and we will get 0. Now bring down 4. So students, here compare the remaining digit and the divisor. 4 is smaller than 5 and no one digit is remaining in the dividend. So we have to put 0 here. Now quotient is equal to 160. Now let us equation 8306 divided by 4. Write dividend and divisor in the correct place. Now how much multiply by 4 to get 8? It's 2 times. It means 4 times 2 is equal to 8. So we have to write 2 as a quotient and the product right below the 8 and separate. We will get 0. Now bring down 3. Now compare the remaining digit and divisor. 3 is smaller than 4. So we have to put 0 and bring down 0 and we call as 30. Now how much multiplying by 4 to get 30 or below it? It's 28. Now 4 times 7 is equal to 28. So we have to write 7 as a quotient and write product below the 30. Now subtract. When we subtract, we will get 2. Now bring down 6 and we call as 26. So how much multiply by 4 to get 26 or below it? It's 24. Now 4 times 6 is equal to 24. So we have to write 6 as a quotient and the product 24 right below the 26 and we will get 2. So quotient is equal to 2076. Now your homework is question number C and D of exercise 1 of question number 1 and practice all the problems which we have done today. Now check your homework which is given in previous class.